Morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are doing a follow-up video on Ethereum. ETH is the ticker symbol. We've done plenty of videos on this in the past, and I want to do a follow-up video because of that nice impulsive candle that we had. Basically, like a $500, $600 move in a very short period of time. And this is the monthly chart here that I have it up on. So if you are interested in videos like this, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you get these updates as they come out. If you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. So thank you guys so much. Let's get it kicked off. So here it is on the monthly. Like we said last month, we had a doji close, and due to that doji, we could either test into the low or take out the top. We went and took out the top in a short squeeze fashion, which makes sense because we had a lot of selling, oversold conditions with high volume on the bottom. It made sense for a quick reversal to test of the breakdown area, which we were always looking for. Move to the resistance around 25, 2600, which is right there on the weekly. Here it is, 25.88. We were already looking for that area. We got a little bit higher than that to take out the liquidity, but we did not take and make a new higher high above 28.50. 28.50 is the line in the sand for us to break the downtrend and to make a new higher high. And once we make the new higher high, we can pull back down, make a bull flag consolidation, and then break out. Basically, the right shoulder of this possible inverse head and shoulder is what I'm looking for. Pull up, make a right shoulder, triangle, descending bull flag consolidation, whatever you want to call it, descending channel, whatever. I do not care. Make a higher high, and then let that higher high be used for continuation to the upside. Now, I already have doodles on this chart, which I'm going to show you guys. I'm actually going to delete one of them. Well, I guess we could leave all this on right now. Eh, even that, it's like not necessary. Talking to myself, talking to myself, talking to myself, talking to myself, talking to myself. Okay. The reason why I'm going to leave those doodles off for now, I want to first paint you a few pictures. The first picture, the inverse head and shoulder, okay? We could do a large inverse head and shoulder or a short one. I'm going to go with the large one with this entire consolidation here being the, what is it called? One of the shoulders. Here's the head. And then I'm looking for this last shoulder in this consolidational pattern. Once this is done, we can do the one-to-one break. Of this whole rounding bottom. And that would mean we should see ETH around $7,000, $8,000. Probably gonna go just to like 8,500 to 10. Kind of exactly like what Bitcoin did. So technically this is wrong. It should be right there. Nope, I'm still wrong. Right there. Okay, so around like 8,000, and that's still like me being very conservative. But this, come on, man, like, does this not look like what's happening? Here was your money line, the retail trend line. Just extend it out. Excuse me. And you see why I'm looking for that test of this level right here. It will be a perfect test of this trend line, which we've had three. I'll count that. This was the only opportunity you had to get it underneath the trend line. And then we're looking for this level right here. If this makes a bull flag consolidation for the breakout into this, right? So all this doodling, blah, 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 all this means, right? On a weekly time frame, as long as we do not close under 24.50, we are looking for upside. Between 23.30 and 24.50 is a good support, a confirmation area for us to go break the resistance of 2600. Now, I had my buddy buy around 1950. Okay, I told him just yesterday, sell 80% at 2600 ish. He did, and he kept whatever he made in profit on the trade. He kept it at from the 1950. I am gonna tell him, hey, if it goes back to 2350, feel free to add back on. Or if you want, I would say take the 23, the last of the ETH that you have, sell it and rebuy it again next week or the week after at 2350 or over. That's kind of like where I'm suggesting him on ETH. What you do is on you. I just know that right now, if you go to a lower time frame, like let's go to a daily, let's turn off all the doodles. You can see even on daily, we are hitting resistance in this. If this was an inverse head and shoulder, right? And this was a neckline on the daily. Here's your right shoulder, left shoulder, neck, right shoulder. And this is the real neckline. You broke out and you made your measured move already, right to the resistance. So this whole rounding bottom trade is done. Now, if we want to hurt the bulls, it would be nice to pull back all the way to 2100, and it will wreck all the over leveraged longs in that $200-300, what was that, $400 move to the downside. And that $400 move to the downside is a bullish retest of support. I'm actually waiting for that move. You see, I'm waiting for that move in this bullish triangle. We just doodled this a second ago, right? We're waiting for this level to be tested so we can get in on the train. Here's the money train right here. See? So that's, I mean, at the end of the day, I gave you the technical analysis. The fundamental analysis is that all the companies now are basically buying spot. Trump himself is buying the spot. This was the low of the low where I told him to buy that 1950. We got it pretty nicely. Oops, let go of my EMA. No, 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 don't do that. Okay. So the reason why I'm just cleaning this up a little bit, I don't need this inverse head and shoulder doodle. That's just for you guys to have a visual reference. I don't need any of this nonsense, actually. I'm going to just delete it all up because it's just blinding on the chart for me. Cool. So this is how I'm looking at it right here, okay? We have, this is a daily. Let's go to 4 hour. Ooh, 4 hours actually bull flagging, right? So into New York Open, I can see us coming back up. I don't like that. Into New York Open, I can see us coming back up, okay? It's only at this level right here, which is 28.45, that I care, okay? If we get above 28.45, I'm looking for us to do a parabolic rise, all right? It's a lot of stuff is gonna be just popping off into a larger short squeeze into, what is this, 31.30. 3140, 3150. So these are the two major levels I'm looking for, and if we lose those levels, then this is the next level, right to 4,000. All right, as per the fibs, as per the fibs. So if we get a rejection over here, I'm looking for us then, okay, into New York Open, we pop up, take the liquidity, and then you just do a swish straight down, right? Straight down, take that liquidity, and come straight down like this. If you do a move like this, then we should be ready to do that inverse head and shoulder in this level around 2360 to 25 for us to take that long scalp for the upside move when the move comes into these higher levels. All this means, if this occurs right now, and this, let's just do it this way. All we're doing is looking for a setup like this. Descending channel, and look, it's on the trend line. If the channel holds, we'll go to the upside. If the trend line breaks, we're going to pull out this consolidation of trapping the over leveraged longs into 3 drives down, and then a reversal back up into an impulsive short squeeze, probably after the daily close kind of situation. So that's how I see ETH moving forward, even on the shorter time frame. I gave you that schematic for what we're looking for today. The daily, like I said, it's 27 to 28.45 is major, 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 major resistance. Good luck breaking out of that. I mean, even a swing failure pattern of these levels would be a great short opportunity for us to go retest into the support of that 22, 2300 area. Weekly wise, weekly is looking good for the weekly close. If the weekly close above 2600, we could look for that 28. If the weekly closes like this, looking like a nasty doji, next week I'm looking for the open and then bearish engulf, unfortunately, because it's a lower high, guys. We're in a sequence of lower highs, and this high has not been broken. This failed to take that liquidity above it. These guys are just using this opportunity to add to their shorts to take it back down into this level, like 22, 23, and then they can let go of their short and re-ride it back up. Maybe they'll flip into a long and then ride it back up kind of situation. So that's what I have for you guys today. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you're interested in videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button for notifications so you get those updates. If you're interested in trading with me live, like I said, it's in the description of the video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. Thank you guys so much. A lot of analysts are saying Dixie is going to go down and Chinese dollar is going to go up. I am watching this like a hawk because this is now going up and we are looking at downside. It's starting to do inverse again when we were doing 1-to-1. What a crazy nonsense. I don't know what to tell you. We'll see what happens with the dollar moving forward. Aside from that, guys, I hope you have a great day. Happy Thursday. Trade safely. I'll see you guys in the next one. Be safe.